Over the weekend, I noticed the Google app has started to crash when I wanted to perform a search from the home screen widget. You'll see, no matter how many times I try, the app just dies in the background before I can even begin to interact with it. I've seen issues like this before, and it usually boils down to a new app update that was recently released, or there's some sort of conflict with the app data itself. So thankfully, there is a workaround for anyone who wants to fix the Google app crash when using its search widget. And that starts by finding the Google app in your application drawer. You're going to want to perform a long press gesture on that icon, and then look for the little eye icon and tap it, as that will bring you to the app info page for the Google app. You can also find this by diving into the settings, then apps, and then you'll see the Google application from there. Either way, you're going to want to get to the app info screen like this, where you can adjust its notification access, permissions, all of that stuff. But we're going to look into the storage area here. So tap on that menu, and from here, we're going to clear out the cached data for the Google application. Now, during my tests, this alone was not enough to fix the force close bug. However, after I cleared out the storage data for the app, then the search widget worked again like normal. Now, the good part is following these steps will get that search widget working again, and you are not going to lose any critical data either. But the bad part is that this is not a permanent fix. It will fix the issue for a little bit, but after an hour or two, you're going to notice that same issue happening again. So I suspect this will continue until Google pushes out a new app update through the Google Play Store. But at least this will let you use the widget like you normally would.